Okay, before we start today, I need to tell you something. Last year, I missed my flight, lost my bag, and ended up sleeping in the airport for one night.
Oh no, that sounds terrible.
It was terrible, but also a little funny now.
Only a little?
Maybe more than a little. Okay, welcome everyone to Just Chat English Podcast. I am Jack.
And I am Ashley. Hi, everyone. Really happy you are here today.
Today, we talk about travel, and specifically, our worst travel days ever.
Yes, because travel is not always beautiful hotels and nice food.
Sometimes it is chaos, delays, lost bags, and sleeping on airport chairs.
And today, we share our stories with you. And we learned some useful English words too.
Okay, Jack, tell us the full story. What happened exactly?
Okay, so last year, I went on holiday to Spain.
Nice. Spain is beautiful.
Yes, but the journey there was not beautiful at all. What happened first? First, my taxi was late. And late means not on time, after the expected time.
Oh no, how late?
30 minutes late. And my flight was in 2 hours. That is already stressful.
Very stressful. I was watching the clock every minute.
And a flight is a trip by plane, right?
Was. And my flight was at 10 in the morning, and I was still at home at 8:30.
Because of the late taxi.
Yes. So I arrived at the airport very fast. I was running with my bag.
Did you make it?
No, I missed the flight by 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That is so painful.
So painful. I stood at the gate and the door was closed.
What did you do?
I went to the airline desk and I said, I missed my flight. What can I do?
And what did they say?
They said, the next flight is tomorrow morning.
Oh no! So you had to wait one whole night?
One whole night. In the airport.
That sounds very uncomfortable.
It was. The chairs in the airport are not comfortable at all.
Airport chairs are the worst.
So hard and cold. I tried to sleep, but it was very difficult.
And you were tired too. Tired means you need rest. You have no energy.
So tired. I had woken up very early that morning, and now I could not sleep.
Did anything else go wrong?
Yes, I also lost my bag.
What? When?
At the airport. I put it down to buy a coffee, and when I came back, it was gone.
Oh no! Lost means you do not know where something is.
Yes, my bag was lost. I panicked completely.
What was inside?
Everything. My passport, my phone charger, my money, everything.
That is a nightmare. What did you do?
I went to the airport security and told them, and luckily someone found my bag and gave it to them.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yes, I was so happy I almost cried.
Okay, everyone, quick break. If you like this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English Podcast.
It really helps other people find us. Thank you so much.
Okay, so what happened in the morning? Finally, my flight was at 7 in the morning. And finally means after a long time. At last. So you waited all night, and finally the flight came.
Yes, and I was so tired, but also so happy to get on the plane.
And when you arrived in Spain, how did you feel?
Exhausted, but happy. And then I slept for 12 hours in the hotel.
12 hours?
I needed it. It was a very long day.
Jack, what about you? Do you have a bad travel story?
Yes, mine is also quite bad, actually.
Tell us.
I was traveling alone in a new city, and I got completely lost.
Lost? Like you did not know where you were?
Yes, no idea where I was. My phone had no battery, no map, nothing.
That sounds scary.
It was a little scary. I was walking, and everything looked the same.
Did you ask someone for help?
I tried, but my English was not very good at that time.
Oh, so you could not communicate well.
No, I knew very basic words only. Like, where is the train station, please?
And did people understand you?
Some people, yes. Some people, no. One person spoke very fast, and I understood nothing.
That is so relatable.
I just smiled and nodded and had no idea what they said.
We all do that sometimes.
Finally, after 2 hours of walking, I found the train station.
2 hours? That is a long time.
Very long. And I was so tired and hungry by that point.
But you found it in the end.
Yes, and when I finally sat on the train, I felt so relieved.
That feeling when the bad thing is finally over?
The best feeling, honestly.
I think travel always has moments like that. Things go wrong, and then you fix them.
Yes, and those are often the best stories later.
Yes! Nobody tells stories about the perfect holiday where everything went well.
That is so true. The disasters become the good memories.
Exactly. One day you look back and you laugh.
Like Ashley and her airport night?
I laugh about it now, yes.
Only a little, though.
Only a little. Okay, let's do our recap, the words from today.
Number 1, flight, a trip by plane.
Number 2, late, not on time, after the expected time.
Number 3, lost. You do not know where you are or where something is.
Number 4, tired. You need rest, you have no energy.
And number 5, finally, after a long time, at last.
5 easy words, all useful for talking about travel.
Write in the comments, what is your worst travel story? Tell us in English, just a few sentences.
We read every comment, and we love your stories.
If you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care.